Hi, I'm Carol Snyder. I'm your son or daughter's honor chemistry teacher. Making a video here for you guys on our distant learning page, wanting to give you guys a little bit of an overview of what we've been doing so far up to this part and what we will continue to do till the last day of school. First off, I miss your students. Really, teaching from my kitchen is very different, and I never thought that I'd be doing that, as I'm sure you never thought we would ever be in this type of situation. But I first have to tell you, I'm so impressed with the students and their ability to be flexible and adaptable, and I really, truly hope that they are doing well. I miss seeing their faces every day and the interactions that we have. As we know, they're not the same on this distant learning platform compared to being face-to-face. So they are truly, truly missed. And being in that school setting and having that energy that young adults bring is truly, truly missed. But, we're doing the best that we can. I have as you can see here, this is my distant learning page, and this is what your son or daughter is connecting with, hopefully daily. I want to just give you a little bit of an overview of what they have been doing and what to expect for the rest of the term. So each chapter or unit that we're working on is got dates, and so they know to click this open, and then you can see that once you open this, there is dates that have a specific topic. And then within that specific topic, there are some things that need to be completed, like a daily attendance. They need to be doing that daily before 3:30. There is usually some type of learning that will go along with pretty clear learning targets, things that they take notes. Then they'll have a daily video. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's Miss Herring, the other honor teacher at Honors or at Eden Prairie, or sometimes it can even be a video from an outside source. But they're getting some type of daily lesson that also will require them to do a worksheet, and answers for the worksheet are usually given as well too. So the answers with the written out completed, how you do the work. And then there is also a daily homework quiz that students have to complete as well. So those are being looked at daily, and then they're being put into the lab, into the campus book. There's also times that they may be doing labs, and this was a lab that they did already. You may have even seen it, they were taking ice cubes. So they may be in your kitchen a little bit for the next month, doing some chemistry at home experiments that we can do and modify with everyday materials. So those will still be happening in the weeks to, I think we've got about 4 or 5 weeks left to come. There will be also a project. There will be another project on solutions that students will be working on and researching. So it may not necessarily be a lab type thing, but there will be also some work that they have to do in kitchens for the unit on solutions, and maybe even possibly our unit on acids and bases. So we have tests, and students are asked to take the test on the day of the test. So we will have a test on May 7th for our energy. We will have another exam on May 19th, and we also will have an exam on June 4th. Those exams are open book, open notes, open homework. So I'm encouraging them to do their worksheets and make sure that they learn the material and that they're prepared for the test. We will be finishing the unit or the end of the year with just some environmental chemistry topics that will be happening June 5th through the 9th for those students who are not seniors. Seniors are done on June 4th, as well as any makeup work has to be totally completed by June 4th. So it's important that really the students stay very focused, and it gets hard. I know in May, especially now the weather is getting nicer, I think about how hard it is when we were face-to-face. Students start to wane off as far as their ability to stay focused and get their work done. We really are modifying work so that it shouldn't take them more than 45 minutes to do a daily lesson. So hopefully they're staying in a routine where they can get their work done maybe in the morning, and then they can enjoy the nice afternoon that these days ahead will be bringing. So the main message I just want to put out to students is to make sure that they are staying focused. And finally, I just want to let you know that I am available. If you have any questions at all, you can email me. As your students are not completing work, I will be emailing them and then possibly also CCing you in that email if it becomes that there's like 3 or 4 days that they are waning and they're not doing their daily quizzes. So you may be hearing from me and may have heard from me in the past. That's just so that I can kind of get them understand the situation as far as what's keeping the student from doing the work. But just wanted to give you a brief little video. It's kind of a little bit longer than I wanted, but I really have enjoyed working with your son or daughter. I miss them. And I look forward to the day that we can be back face to face. And I hope that will be in the fall. So again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Right here's my email address, csnyder@edenpr.org. Have a great day.